Running your cleaning operation is stressful, and it can feel like you're always in the weeds. Tasks pile up, and soon enough, your operation can feel unorganized and chaotic. But with Janitorial Manager, it doesn't have to be that way. Janitorial Manager is the one solution that gets you out of the weeds, giving you a bird's-eye view of your cleaning operations, allowing you to document your cleaning tasks, increase retention rates, improve accountability, automate manual processes, control your costs, and so much more. For over a decade, we've been listening to commercial cleaning professionals just like you, enhancing Janitorial Manager into the one solution that it is today. Our innovative QR code technology, asset tracking, timekeeping, scheduling, messaging, supply management, checklists, and inspections are just a few of the solutions our customers are benefiting from each and every day. Our happy customers span the globe. From building service contractors to facility operations, we're proud to serve a variety of industries, partner with trade organizations, and work with a wide range of commercial cleaning professionals. We're here to ensure your success. Each customer is assigned a dedicated account manager. Our customer success team is here to make sure you have the support that you need. Don't let your cleaning operations run you. Now is the time to take control and bring your cleaning operations to the next level.